Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. In today's satsanga, we will know about four points about secret of Sri Yantra. The first point we will discuss what is the secret of Sri Yantra ninth avarna. Second point we will discuss what is the secret of Anandamaya Chakra and Bindu Sthana. Third point we will discuss yoginis residing in ninth Sri Yantra avarana, and lastly we will discuss about where is the ninth avarana, the Bindu Sthana in our body. So let's start. First point, what is the secret of the ninth avarana of Sri Yantra? Sadhana of Sri Yantra is a high spiritual practice. If you worship Sri Yantra, then it is understood that you fully worship Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, because in Sri Yantra all that powers is present which has appeared from the mother, which is capable of running all the universes. Sri Yantra has 9 avaranas called 9 circles. The topmost circle, the avarana, is called Bindu Sthana. That point is the place of Mahatripura Sundari Mata. Mahatripura Sundari is seated in the Nirguna form in that Bindu place. That Nirguna form of Mother is a form of both Param Shiva and Param Shakti. That Bindu place is the ultimate Shakti Vita. That Bindu is the Jyotirlinga of the Supreme Nirguna Shiva. That Nirguna Mother's place is the place of the Supreme Soul, from where all the souls and the living entities have appeared. Now we will discuss this second point. What is the secret of Anandamaya Chakra and Bindu Sthana? Mahatripura Sundari Mata is seated in the Bindu Sthana in a blissful state. She's nature is blissful, who is the form of the Supreme Soul. That is why this place, that is this point, is also called Anandamaya Chakra. In old Indian scriptures, many types of Khadagamala stotras are found in the texts. Today we will talk about Sri Yantra by taking reference to that stotra which is well known everywhere, Sri Devi Khadagamala Stotra. The stotra begins with the name of the mother, which is the name of the Bindu location itself. The mantra is something like this: Om Aim Hrim Srim Aim Klim Sau Om Namas Tripura Sundari. If you want, you can also chant this mantra. Lalita Mata is also called Mahabhattarika in this avarana. It is called the ninth circle in Sri Chakra. This is called Bindu or Anandamaya Chakra. It is the form, this point, that Om Nada has appeared. And by the sound of Om, the whole creation has appeared. Meaning that the word Brahma Nada has appeared from the Nirguna Mother. From this Bindu Sthana, two forms have appeared, whom we called Ananda Bhairava, means Kameshwara, and another form is known as Ananda Bhairavi or Sura Devi or Kameshwari. All the Guru traditions in the world, their origin is this Kameshwara and Kameshwari. All the knowledge has been revealed from these two divine forces. Their mantra is known as Mahapaduka Guru Mantra. Now we will talk about yoginis of the ninth avarana in Sri Yantra. Mahatripura Sundari Mata in the Bindu place is called Sarva Anandamaya Chakra Swamini, because she is the owner of this point place of this chakra. Mother is also called Sarva Bija Mudra Shakti, which means supreme intelligence having all powers in it, because all the universe, solar system, moon, planets, constellations, goddesses, deities, human beings, and demons have all manifested themselves from Mother. She is the mother of all. Everyone's home is the same, from where we have all appeared. Mother is also called Para Ati Rahasya Yogini at this point, because whatever we try to know about Mother, we always feel we know very little about Mother, and even after having all the knowledge, we cannot know completely about the Mother. That extreme secret can be attained only by the grace of Mother. This point has been protected by 6 Nyasanga Devis, the yoginis circling from all directions. In Khadagamala, their names are as follows: Rudaya Devi, Shiro Devi, Shikha Devi, Kavacha Devi, Netra Devi, and Astra Devi. These 6 deities surround the Bindusthana from all directions. That is why their names is taken immediately after the mother's name in Khadagamala Stotra. From this point, that is, from Mahatripura Sundari, 3 Shaktis have appeared, which we know as Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, and Mahakali. In Vedic text, Mata Kali is known as Mata Parvati. From this point, that is, from Mata Mahatripura Sundari, Bala Tripura Sundari and 16 Titinitya Devis have appeared. Now let us discuss the last point. Where is the 9th avarana, the Bindusthana, in our body? Sarva Anandamaya Chakra or Bindu place is situated in our body in Sahasrara Chakra. Sarva Anandamaya means when the yogi in his state attains the supreme feeling through meditation, attains that Brahma state, then he is in Anandamaya Kosha, his Samadhi state. That seeker attains the state of bliss, nor does he have any sense of happiness, nor does he feel sorrow. He always remains only in his bliss. In the 1000 petals of the whole Sahasrara Chakra, there are 1000 different types of different energies. That 1000 powers are capable of running the whole universe. These all powers, the deities, have appeared from Mother Lalita. We find their names given in Lalita Sahasranama Stotra. That is why the Mother is called the Sarva Bija Mudra Shakti. The Supreme Shiva form of the Mother is also present in Sahasrara Chakra. From this point, from Mother, our soul and the whole universe has appeared. Whether it is the soul of a deity or the soul of a demon, Mahatripura Sundari is the mother of all souls. This is our real home, which we have forgotten. We should remember that. That's why our Guru gives us a secret path or sadhana after finishing all the sadhanas, the last stage of meditation. That sadhana is the practice of remembering the Mahavakya again and again, which is done with confidence. That is the sadhana of Aham Brahma Asmi or Soham, so that we can reach our real home sooner as possible. To reach that place of Sarva Anandamaya Sthana, we have to reach there by doing that spiritual practice ourselves. The Guruji who have realized the Brahma Jnana show us the way how to reach there. Up to that point, we cannot reach with the help of Jnana Indriya and Karma Indriyas, meaning with the help of our senses we cannot reach there, because the existence of the senses is the same Sahasrara. They have existed from that. So how they can go back? They cannot turn back and merge into that Anandamaya state. That is why we can experience God's realization only through our own soul. It is from that point that our mind has appeared. And from the mind, all the senses, the Panch Mahabhutas, and the inner universe expressed in our body have appeared. It is from the Sahasrara Chakra that willpower, action power, and knowledge power manifest in all of us. Mother has given us freedom. With the help of willpower, we can desire to get anything. With the power of knowledge, we can think about how to get the desired thing. We can get its knowledge, and to get what we want with the help of Kriya Shakti, we can get that desired object by action done with our mind and senses. So this was the glory of Bindusthana in Sri Yantra. This is the 9th wheel according to Khadgamala. You guys must have understood what that place is. In the next Sri Yantra Satsanga, we will talk about the first Avarana. All subscribers who have subscribed on our Hindi and English YouTube channel, thanks everyone. I always pray to Mother for you so that you make good progress in your spiritual and worldly life. May you all be well. Today's Satsanga ends with this. Our website has been launched. Please check the link in the description. Do visit our blog website and please give your opinion in the comment box. Please feel free to contact me with the help of a contact form. If any doubts or suggestions regarding the only sadhanas which are given on our website and YouTube channel playlist. Thank you all devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.